Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize who can chat with you in live on Tango. So let's get started. First, open your Tango application. Make sure you're logged into your Tango account. Now tap on the video icon with pink background. Select the gear icon which is right above hashtag option. There you can find who can chat option. If you choose anyone can chat with you. If you choose followers, only your followers can chat with you. Choose any one of the options that you prefer. And this is how you can customize who can chat with you in live on Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.